Hello world. If you have questions in your mind like I want to do coding but where do I start, then this video is for you. In this video I am going to tell you 5 steps in which you can start coding just as a beginner. So let's get started. Hi there, myself Lakshya Namdeo and welcome to my channel. Coding and programming are two vast fields which can confuse a beginner. When I was learning to code, I had to face many problems regarding the resources, regarding the questions, and I have had a lot of confusions on where to start coding. So in this video, I am going to tell you 5 steps which you can use as a beginner to code. Regarding the importance of coding, I have created a separate video in which you can get the importance of coding on why coding is important in 2021. So make sure to watch that video and subscribe to my channel to get more knowledgeable content. So the first step in our process is self-analysis. Why do you want to do coding? See, most people don't know the actual reason behind the coding, which confuses them a lot and create a chaos into their mind. So, हर इंसान की 3 broad reasons हो सकते हैं कि वो coding क्यों सीखना चाहता है. First reason, out of interest or just for fun purposes, as a career or as a second skill to your resume or knowledge. So let's discuss each of them one by one. Fun purposes or out of interest. See, if you want to learn coding just for fun purposes and experience the range of coding on what coding can do, you should go for Java language. In this, you can use data structures and algorithms to design games and apps, which is a lot of fun process. Or you can go for Python language, in which you can design AI, bots and mini softwares, and using data structures and algorithms of Python and using machine learning, artificial intelligence and data science in Python, you can create an artificial intelligence just like Java's. As a career, there are 2 broad aspects of what coding career can mean anyone: a web designer or a software developer. See, if you have a creative hand and create things which can benefit user and which create a great user experience, you should go for web designing career. For web designing, you have to learn front end and back end. For front end languages, you can go for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And for back end language, you can choose any server side language and a database manager. Developer. If you are good at logic building and mathematics, you should go for Python language. In this, you can use data science, machine learning, and data structures and algorithms to design AIs, bots, and many of those things which one can just imagine. As a second skill to your resume or knowledge, if you want to learn coding for your knowledge and resume purposes, you should prefer the languages which are most popular among the top companies. So Java and Python are the 2 most popular languages which are preferred by the companies like Spotify, Instagram, Twitter and even Airbnb. So if you want to crack a highest paying job just by learning a simple language like Python and Java, you should go for it. Second step, learn the required language and just go for it. Using the first step and determining what kind of language you should learn, you should start learning that language using online resources or the nearest resource which you have got and clear the basics of it. Choose a good resource for learning. When I was learning to code, I had a lot of confusion and where should I start? Where should I learn the good languages? Or is there any particular resource which is beneficial for all the coding programming community? That's not true. There is nothing as perfect. Every language, every course, every resource is perfect in their own way. Then you should go for the languages, for the resources which you can prefer. So don't look for the best course. YouTube, Udemy, Code Academy, and many resources are there which provides free and paid knowledges courses for the students. Research all of that and choose the best for you. Fourth, do projects. See, when our brain starts learning, it gathers theoretical information, and when those theoretical information is not used, it washes away. So time to time अपनी learning को practice करो, do projects बनाओ और personalized projects बनाने की कोशिश करो, क्योंकि जो कोर्स में जो प्रोजेक्ट्स बना रहे हैं वो इंसान ने खुद नहीं बनाए, वो कहीं से लेकर आ रहा है और वो तुम्हें दिखा रहा है. अगर आप अपने पर्सनलाइज्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाना शुरू करोगे, so you can get more interest in the coding. When the education is mixed with a little bit of personalized knowledge, it becomes passionate. Fifth, look at someone else's code and learn from it. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि कॉपी करो किसी का कोड, but there are online resources like GitHub and Stack Overflow which you can use for preferring the code regarding the project and improvise it, add your things, remove some things if you don't like, and create your own project. So in this way, you will create your own project with less effort and more knowledge learning. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for video notifications. And if you got any questions regarding this video or regarding coding or programming field, make sure to comment down that question and I'll surely give you a reply. Help me into the get YouTube's algorithm and share this video as much as possible. Thank you guys. That's it for today.